It actually has advantages over Tesla in the sense that it's the flexibility. It has more capacity, I'm sorry. That is the battery that a lot of people talk about.
Tesla.
Powerwall 3.
It's funny when you talk Tesla, everybody doesn't want to say so much negative stuff, you know? They kind of just all go very polite and all that. But anyway, let's leave that one alone.
Presented by YourEnergy Answers.
Hi, I'm here today with one of the most exciting products that I've actually seen in Australia coming in the last 12 months. I'm here with Smart Energy Answers. You guys are a bit of a company about innovation. Why did you pick this battery?
It's a sensational product. It really fits a niche in the market that we had been waiting for, especially in the three-phase space, but can do so much more.
So we're talking about innovation niche in the market. What's innovative about it?
It's the industry's first 5-in-1 energy system. So this is called SigenStor. We've got an integrated hybrid inverter. We've got the industry's first integrated DC EV fast charger, which has got vehicle-to-home, vehicle-to-grid capabilities. And we've got integrated batteries, which you can have up to 48 kilowatt hours in one stack. You can do it on single phase, 3-phase, residential, commercial, on-grid, off-grid, AC coupled, DC coupled.
What's the other 5 things? Is this one of them?
So the charger is one, so a hybrid inverter, integrated EMS, PCS, batteries, DC charger.
Now, what's your percentage out of 10 cells that they decide to go with solar and battery nowadays?
Up until November, it was 6 out of 10. But with the 1st of November, New South Wales battery kicking, it's now 9 out of 10. Households can now get up to 4,800 plus a VPP incentive. It can bring the total incentive up around $5,500
so
in New South Wales.
And the VPP actually comes back year after year. So let me explain the VPP a little bit. Let's make it a brand being Amber or something like that. That means you're now through that app trading on the wholesale market, and sometimes some nights there's a spike where you can make in that night with a battery of this size a couple of $100. And that happened in the last 12 months over 50 times. So you add that up, there's an extra 1,000, but the 1,000 is not like a rebate one time. It comes year after year after year.
And we actually seen some families making in the excess of $800-900 in the entire month. So not only they had the electricity bill at zero, but they made a credit of about nearly $1,000.
Why would I pick this battery over one of the others that are on the market?
Way more flexible. You can pretty much do anything with it. On-grid, off-grid, 3-phase, single-phase. We've got a gateway that allows you to do full home backup. We've got a 0-millisecond switchover on the load side, so there's no disconnection whatsoever. We've got the safest batteries in the industry. So each battery module has got 5 layers of safety. So we've got a fire suppressant system, we've got decompression valves, and we've got integrated AI into the system as well. So it can actually monitor the customer's energy usage behavior and optimize the system to charge and discharge at the best time for the customer.
How long have you been having it on your price list and been selling them now?
Just under 4 weeks now.
Right. And what's first impressions?
We're always very careful when we select products because we've seen a lot of manufacturers coming to Australia. Coming and going, and I've never seen a product that in such a short time, less than 12 months, has really taken the industry by storm with a lot of small installers adopting it first, giving some great feedbacks, and then we decided to take this product at All Energy Conference. And in the first 4 weeks, we sold over 80 units. So it's been sensational.
I mean, that is quite amazing because some installers in the regional areas, they sell one battery every month.
When we say, we sold over 80 units, it's because you can actually scale it to the family's needs. So you can go as little as 5 kilowatt hours, but then you can add up to 48.
Well, isn't there an issue, let's say, if the battery is 2 years old and now I want to upgrade, then I have mismatch in the battery age. Is there an issue with your particular unit on that?
So that is a big problem, retrofitting additional batteries in the future. So the way that we've overcome that, each battery module has its own DC to DC optimizer. So that means they're all independent. You can mix and match old and new batteries. You don't have to balance the state of charge. So you can come back in 3 or 4 years' time, very easily just connect another battery. That's it.
But what about after-sale service? These things do get 6-7 years old. How long am I going to get out of this baby?
So we warranty it for 10 years or minimum throughput. So we guarantee a minimum amount of throughput from the battery. Right. So the warranties are great. We've got a really good local tech support team. One thing that I haven't mentioned, so this is the only product that has ChatGPT-4 built into the Energy app, which means great for installers, get help on site, but the end user instant access to whatever information they need. If they want to show a graph of how much energy they've exported, it's really, really simple, but it's really clever as well.
So 48 kilowatt hours is a little bit much. You don't really need that for a home household. What do you find when you offer this unit? What do people usually pick?
We're actually looking at customers adopting the full 48 kilowatt hours. That's simply because of the electrification of everything that's happening within the household. And what we found is a lot of people these days are actually trying to offset not only the household consumption, but also the transportation cost by adopting an EV car and then using solar and batteries with this amazing new technology, the V2X as well.
So really, I just hear now that more and more vehicles are actually be able to connect to the grid, which means I can drive my EV at home, I'll plug it in, and then it supports my house. Why do I need a separate battery? Is there a good reason?
The car manufacturing industry needs to catch up because there's only one manufacturer, or two, I believe.
Nissan Leaf.
With
yes,
the Leaf, yeah.
Yes.
Car batteries are not designed to be discharged and charged continuously, like these babies.
But you see, this baby sits at my house, and when the blackout comes, I happen to, with my car, just to happen to be in Campbelltown. And I got 15 minutes to get back before the fridge is stuffed. So that's a bad. I mean, what's the lucky chance that you have to have your car connected when the blackout's happening? So that's one of them, number one. The second one is, if I have my solar system, produce all this excess energy and I send it out, if I put in my battery, I can drive home, I can start using it. At that point in time, this is a very nice little vessel. And during the day, if the sun goes up and down, it also backs up my house and everything I'm running in there, the pool pump and everything during the day. So when people think they can now forget about the battery because it's in the car, they actually have forgotten that it is a full infrastructure that needs to support each other literally for 24 hours.
You're very right, Marcus. These batteries with cars are complementary to each other. They're part of an infrastructure where you can't just have a car to support your home at any time during the day, because you're supposed to have your car charged to go to work and go to where you need to go to. That's the primary use of a car, and an electric vehicle needs charge, right?
So anybody who's trying to be a skimpy bastard, the best thing is to keep the comfort in your house. Just get the battery, because your car, guaranteed with Murphy's Law, will never be in the garage when you need that blackout protection.
I mean, the other thing that you could mention as well is the fact that this is a DC charger. So obviously that bypasses the inverter on the car and charges about 3 times faster than your typical AC charger.
We haven't left that off.
Yes.
So if you're a guy in a hurry and you want your car charged quickly, this baby will do it because it's doing DC, which is the most efficient way to charge your electric vehicle.
Indeed, indeed.
Overall, very impressed. So if you're looking for a battery in Australia, don't go past Sigenergy. And if you want to specifically get a company that helps you to really work out what battery you need, talk to Daniel from Smart Energy Answers.
Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. Want more energy answered? Visit YourEnergyAnswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.